You've joined me today on Offchurch Lane in Radford, Semele, very close to Leamington Spa town centre, where we have this absolutely fantastic, generously proportioned 6-bedroom home. It's got plenty of parking, garaging, and at the rear we've got lovely gardens which overlook open countryside. It really is a great place to live. Let's take a look inside. You've joined me in the generous and delightful rear gardens of this fabulous home. There's plenty of space out here, and at the rear we've got these amazing countryside views. It really is a special place to live. We're so close to town, but you've got the countryside on your doorstep. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thanks for watching.